If you're anything like me, God help you if you are, and you own a paper patio, it never looks as good as it does when it's wet. A lot of reasons for that. When it's wet, it actually brings out a lot of the details and colors that get a little washed away from the sun and the oxidation that takes place over time. So what we're going to be doing today is I'm back here at the shower surround that I installed back in April to clean it up, remove any efflorescence, which is that salt that exists in the concrete that seeps itself to the surface, creates that bit of chalky residue that lays onto the surface. We have a couple examples of it over here, and if you look down, you can see that efflorescence that naturally occurs with any paper product that is made out of concrete, which all of them are. So we're going to remove that today by scaling it off, and once the efflorescence is removed, we're then going to wait for it to dry and apply a seal coat, appropriately called wet seal. Comes in different types of finishes, just like your paint that you can get for your walls, and satin finish now, or a natural look. But the wet finish seems to be the most popular because it does give you essentially that wet look. Just like anything that you want to keep clean, birds have a tendency to know that and leave their droppings everywhere. In addition to the aesthetic value that the seal is going to provide, it's also going to add another layer of protection that's going to help prevent any sort of stains from bird droppings, leaves, any sorts of oil spills or droppings of any sort. It will also greatly reduce the effects of the sun oxidizing, drying out the concrete, and making those colors fade over time. It will also significantly reduce any erosion of the polymeric sand, which is the joint stabilizer and joint compound that's used inside the cracks. So let's get started. I'll check back with you when it's done.
Hot up, ready to go. I got my eyes on the prize. I'm sick of feeling the lows. I wanna roll with the odds. I took a different path. I did it all on my own. So whole world ready for me. I got a vision in mind. It's time to roll up my sleeves. You know I'm feeling alive. I took a different path. I did it all on my own. So I've been hoping that my dreams come true, and I'm hoping that I make it with you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count it out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Work it out, think we're gonna make it. Shout it out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you feel the vibe, yeah? Count it out, let me hear your zip code. Work it out, feeling like a Van Gogh. Worldwide, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you feel the vibe, yeah? Hopped up, look at us go. We could shoot for the stars. Gonna start a parade. See, the future is us. It's a beautiful day. We did it all on our own. So I've been hoping that my dreams come true, and I'm hoping that I make it with you. Count it out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Work it out, think we're gonna make it. Shout it out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you feel the vibe, yeah? Count it out, let me hear your zip code. Work it out, feeling like a Van Gogh. Worldwide, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you feel the vibe, yeah? Do you feel the vibe, yeah? Vibe, yeah? Do you feel the vibe, yeah? Vibe, yeah? Hopped up, ready to go. I got my eyes on the prize. I'm sick of feeling the lows. I wanna roll with the odds. I took a different path. I did it all on my own. So hopped up, look at us go. We can shoot for the stars. Gonna start a parade. See, the future is ours. It's a beautiful day. We did it all on our